A recent experiment showed most people couldn't go a full day without their phones. Many felt lost without them. That's how essential our devices have become. Today, let's explore the top 5 Motorola app managers to help you manage your Moto with ease. Number 1. Best Motorola App Manager MobiKin Assistant for Android. Designed to simplify phone management, MobiKin Assistant for Android, Windows and Mac allows users to back up, restore, and transfer files between Motorola devices and computers effortlessly. Number 2. Moto App Manager. Offering efficient app control, Moto App Manager enables users to view, update, and remove installed applications on Motorola phones easily. Users can monitor app permissions and storage use to maintain device performance. Number 3. Moto Device Manager. As an official PC utility, Moto Device Manager helps users install necessary drivers for smooth connections between Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, Moto G Power 5 grams, Moto E32, and computers. The software also assists in performing system updates and transferring essential data. Number 4. Rescue and Smart Assistant. Created for deeper device maintenance, Rescue and Smart Assistant offers firmware updates, data backup, system repair, and device restoration functions. Users can resolve software issues or reinstall the OS using this program. Number 5. Smart Connect. Known for automating daily actions, Smart Connect lets users customize settings based on time, place, or connected accessories. Automation can include switching sound profiles, launching apps, or adjusting brightness automatically.